Fajr comes with morning light. Wake up early, sky so bright. Rub our eyes and softly say, thank you Allah for today.
Dhuhr comes when sun is high. We stop our play and look to the sky. Hands together, bow and pray. Allah helps us every day. Allah helps us every day.
Asr comes in afternoon time. Birds still sing a gentle rhyme. We stand in rows, calm and slow, asking Allah where to go.
Maghrib comes when the sun goes down. Shadows long in a little town. Family gathers side by side, praying with hearts open wide.
Isha comes when stars appear. Night is quiet, soft and clear. One last prayer before we sleep. Allah's love in our hearts we keep.
Prayers keep our hearts so clean, make our thoughts kind, soft and green. Every prayer we stop and say,
guide us Allah in every way. When we bow and when we stand, Allah holds us by the hand. Little steps and little feet find His mercy pure and sweet.
5 bright prayers like shining light, morning, noon and deep at night.
Each one fills our day with peace, helping all our worries cease.
When we pray our hearts feel strong, Allah helps us right from wrong. With each prayer we learn to be kids of kindness, faith and mercy.